What about your result?
It was excellent and wonderful because I passed the exam with good marks.
Oh, grand! I congratulate you.
Thank you very much.
Oh, look at them. They look very sad. Let's go. Assalamu alaikum.
Alaykum assalam.
Hi friends, why are you so sad? Is there any problem with you?
If you don't ask us, it will be better.
You are our best friend. Please tell us what the problem is.
We failed in 2 papers, that is where we are so sad.
Oh, very bad. It is a so sad news.
See the result of using mobile.
Mobile is a useless hobby for students.
It destroys future. That's why we don't touch it.
Yes, dear Sifullah, you are at heart and parents advance. They did this and that. Now I am it. Now, help Allah, we shall work hard and we shall now use in the mobile.
That is great, you accepted your mistake.
Now see, Mahmoud and I did not use mobile and will got very good marks.
Our teachers and parents congratulated us and they are happy.
We are very happy too because we respected our parents and teachers.
We shall work hard to pass our final exam.
Best of luck and our pray you to for pass exam.
We shall be very thankful to you, exam and masters.
Mr. Nur Bashar, see the debate competition, how beautiful and charming the program is. Do you know about it?
Yes, I know about it and I like it. That is why we are recommending the program. It is very charming program.
Yes, Mr. Mahmood, did you pass that and this debate?
No, dear Iqbal, I could not get chance because there were any time tested. I shall work hard and I shall not use any mobile and chase and I know. No, dear Iqbal, I could not get chance. There were many talented students and I look not very mobile.
Okay, nice to meet you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.